So on Mondays and Wednesdays, during the course of me cooking and filming videos and writing for my Substack and posting and distributing, I try to take out 45 minutes to an hour to lift weights. That was just one set of exercises. I do 4 exercises for 4 sets. And I know my form is not right before all y'all start criticizing me in the comments. I know, I'm an old lady trying to do the best I can. Y'all hang with me. Just trying to do the best I can. I have been taught to do them correctly by a trainer, and she's not watching me right now, so I know I'm not doing them right, because the only time I really get it right is when she's standing there looking at me and fussing at me. But I'm trying to do better on my own, because in most cases, we have to do it on our own. And so that's what I'm trying to strive to be the best that I can be right now, even with weight that I'm trying to get off me and muscle that I'm trying to build as I'm aging. I'm in my mid-60s, trying to just eat enough protein and fiber, like I've said repeatedly in other videos. And so I'm just trying to be the best me I can be. So that's kind of my routine. Mondays and Wednesdays, I lift weights, do 4 different sets of exercises for 4 sets. And then I said on Tuesdays and Thursdays I was going to start back jumping rope a little bit. I have not done that yet, but I got to get into that. And that's going to be my routine. And it's focused on getting the food that I need to give me the nutrients that I need, so I don't have to be drinking a lot of protein shakes and smoothies and all of that kind of crap, because I like to eat. I prefer to eat what I need. So that's how I'm rolling today, y'all. Today is Wednesday, and after I finish this, I'll go out there and get my 5,000 steps in, and I'll come right back and be back at my computer. Today I ate some leftover greens and black eyed peas and sweet potatoes and cornbread. So I got plenty of protein from those beans. I had a little bitty turkey necks in the greens, so I got a little bit of protein from that, but the greens gave me some fiber. And I had a little sweet potatoes just to sweeten it out a little bit, and some cornbread. So that's how I'm rolling today. I will see y'all on the next video. All right, bye now.